And this is the motor we'll be throwing in its place. It is a completely aftermarket 351 small block Ford. Nothing about this motor is Ford except for that filter right there. That's about it. Got dark lock. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. Strict flow heads, billet cam, scat crank. I cannot remember what the pistons were, but I think it was all scat maybe. Can't remember. H-beam rods. So there is really nothing small about this small block, except the physical dimensions of it. It'll make a lot of power. To be conservative, I'd say 700. Naturally aspirated. Of course, you got the MSD. You got to have that. It ain't a race motor without MSD. So let's get to it. Hey guys, just a quick little something I want to point out. When you're putting the converter in, it's got to set back in there pretty far. I don't know whether you can see that. Or that an inch and a quarter, inch and an eighth. That's how far past it's got to set of the way it's got to engage the input shaft on the back here. So if you ain't got that much space or that much setback, you don't have it in all the way. And if you don't have it in all the way when you set the motor down, it'll put this into a bind, and it won't spin. It'll lock everything up. It'll lock the motor up. It'll lock the tranny up. But I mean, you know, it should spin easy, but have a little bit of resistance. What's going on, everyone? On these motor mounts here, they do not fit, and that's because they were designed to fit a Mustang. I bought them knowing that and thought maybe I could modify them to fit, because this is the only style of motor mount I could find that was kind of like the original or the factory motor mounts. Everything else was like a Chevy style aftermarket, a bunch of fabricating to make it work, and I like these my mount style better, so I made my own. There will be a video on it, and unfortunately this is all the more footage I have of me putting the engine in the truck. I'm not sure what happened to the rest of the footage. I may have deleted it, or I just forgot to record altogether. So this is all you got. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.